y'all, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how I slay my synthetic wig. And the wig that I'm using today is by Zury Sis Lace Front Wig in Sassy Lace H and V, and I got it in the number 2. So right here I'm just showing you guys the hair, how it looks like. It comes with baby hairs, and it also comes with a really nice part. And mind you guys, this hair smelled really good. Like, it smells so good. It does come with combs and also adjustable strap. And right here I'm just adding water and smoothing out the baby hairs so I can get ready and cut my lace. Okay guys, this is how my hair looks like. This is the wave pattern that it came with, and it is really cute hair, but it was just way too much for me. Like, it was super thick, so I decided to straighten it, and that's what I'm going to show you guys in this video. So right here I'm just showing you guys the part. I didn't tweeze it or anything, and I just added concealer, and the part really looks super natural. And right here I'm just showing you guys how I put the hair behind my ears, and that's how I pretty much wore it. So I'm going to be using some Eco-Style gel to lay down the wig baby hairs, and also with my actual baby hairs to make it more natural. And yeah. So I kind of realized that my edges were not being laid with the Eco-Style gel, so I'm gonna go in and use some Got To Be Glued styling gel, and I'm just going to use that for my edges. And as you guys can see, my edges are being laid to the gods. Yes, girl. So I'm just going to be using that on the baby hairs, and I'm just going to fleek them and do some swirlies and stuff. Okay, so right here I'm just going to straighten my hair. I'm using bigger sections, and then I'm gonna go in with smaller sections. And I'm using my Remington flat iron on 390 degrees. You don't want to go any higher than that because your synthetic wig will burn. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys how I straighten it out, and then I'm gonna show you guys the results. So I'm just going to be straightening my hair, and as you guys can see, my flat iron did get the hair straightened pretty well. And I'm just doing the chase method using my hairbrush. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. It was very easy to do this, and the hair was very flat, but it still had that thickness. So this is how my hair looks like. I did get a lot of shedding, and I am getting a lot of tangling with this hair now that I straightened it, but you know, that's what's to be expected with synthetic hair. I do plan on curling it, which I will show you guys in another tutorial, but this is how the hair looks like. Super long and nice. So another reason that I like about this hair is that it's super thick, as you guys can see. Even though I straightened it, it did give off, you know, that thick kind of look, which I do love. So yeah, it's super thick even though it's straightened, which is really good. It's not like thin or anything. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Like I said, I did add concealer to the part to make it a little bit better. I did not tweeze the part or anything like that, and I used Got To Be Glued and Eco Styler gel to gel down the actual baby hairs. And yep, that's pretty much it. I didn't do anything particular, just straightened it out, and that's pretty much it for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to like, comment, and also hit the subscribe button if you are new to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video.